Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Ford Escape SE. This is the all-wheel drive model with the 2-liter EcoBoost. SE is one step above the base, which is the S. And I do believe it is based on the same platform as the Focus. And I used to own a 2018 Focus, and everything seems very, very familiar. It's actually a very, very fun vehicle to drive, something that has really surprised me. I didn't expect it to be as fun as it is. Make sure the window sticker's not in here. Nope, alright. Of course, the 2-liter EcoBoost is a turbocharged 4-cylinder. Really tons of torque. Like, where did Ford put them again? Under the hood might not be detailed, just take that for... Where are they? Oh, pfft. I had a Focus, I should have known that. It looks extremely similar to the Focus ST motor. Now that I look at it, yeah, it's extremely similar. Hood's actually very light. Didn't expect that, but this is your keyless entry. You use that to get into the car. Once inside, nice and comfortable. While it is a plastic dash, it's soft touch material. You can move it around. Steering wheel is a plastic material. Ooh, Evo. So that's how that works. Electronic e-brake. Yep, sliding visor. Pretty cool. But without further ado, let's take this thing for a drive. Nice backup camera that pops up way in there. Start off in normal drive, and then we'll go down to sport. You do have paddles behind the wheel. To disable that, all you gotta do is hold up shift. I do love the Escape. I'm a big fan of Fords anyway. Not sure why, it's just maybe because I owned one. It's cool to have vents right in here, so it really cools off your hand when you're going to reach for the dials and stuff, and you can kind of feel the air, so you can be like, oh yeah, that air's cold. It's a good way to check and see if your AC's working. Here's where the 2-liter excels, and that is in highway merging and on-ramps. Go ahead, let us get a little bit of a distance, and I'll give her the boot. Not bad at all. Do like the blind spot mirrors inside the regular mirror. Makes visibility a lot better. Sport mode steering, I think, is the same weight. Might be slightly heavier. It's not a big difference. Transmission tuning gets changed, and the throttle response is increased. I think this is the same steering wheel my ST had, just leather wrapped. Miss that car sometimes. Kind of wish I could have kept it as a daily. That would have been really fun. But hey, things happen in life. And when you have the opportunity to buy a Challenger, you go for it. Okay then. You can hear the blow-off valve when you lift off the throttle. It's pretty funny. Overall, I mean, the Escape is a really nice vehicle. Platform dynamics. It handles very much like a Ford Focus that's been lifted. Your seating position, you're up tall. Try to put it in perspective for you guys. Basically, take a Focus, lift your seat all the way up, and that's what it's like. No, there's a ton of low down torque here. I think this has the same motor as the ST. The ST was just tuned differently. Because the power band and everything, the power delivery seems just about spot on. overall, I mean, can't go wrong with this vehicle. This one's in mint shape with 34,519 miles. Tons of fun to drive, good amount of power. Overall, just a real pleasure to drive. It's exactly what the segment is designed for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.